It's Miss Andrea. So today we're going to do our DIY dragon eggs. This I thought was super cute. Found it on Pinterest. Gotta love Pinterest. So what you got home was you got aluminum foil, you got some gems, and you got some clay. So this is Crayola, I believe, air dry clay. So you want to make sure that you put the gems in right away because I was practicing last night and I made the egg shape, which it takes a little bit to get it into this shape. So take your time while you go. But see, now it's nice and dry, and I did that last night. I was just practicing the shape. I wasn't working on the rhinestones just yet. So this time though, I'll get to put the rhinestones in and make it look really pretty. Alright, so what you can do, if your aluminum foil is crinkly, it's okay, you're going to cover it in clay and you're going to crinkle it even more, right? Because you wanted to get it in a nice shape. So, I folded it and then tried to make it like this, and then I folded it again, so you could maybe make two with this, but this also made it nice and thick. So I don't know if you want to split it into two. If you have a sibling, I mean, you probably have aluminum foil in your house. It might just come down to a matter of how much clay do you have. Now you guys are lucky because your clay comes in a bag. This that is not easy to open. Alright, that was ridiculous, but that's okay, right? Alright, you're gonna get clay on your hands because it's clay and it's fun and it's fine. This is probably way more than I need. So this should be the perfect amount. I'm gonna close that because like I said, it's air dry and we don't want to waste. And you could put, you know, a paper plate down so you don't get clay on whatever table you're using. You could slide those over. Alright. So, what you can do to make the most out of your clay is spread it flat, right? And spread it out like this. Because you want it to stretch as much as possible, but still be thick enough where these will stick into it. Okay, so it's a nice balance. And clay and aluminum foil, if you don't do it right the first time, you just try again. And even if like you broke your aluminum foil apart, you can just add it right back on again if it's separated. That's okay too. So here we go. Start. There we go. Spreading it out. I like the feel of the clay too. And you want to wrap it all the way around. So you still keep, you know, spreading the clay around. Now again, I doubled mine up so we can make the aluminum foil smaller to fit the clay. Right? And see how it's poking through? Just poke it back and cover it up and smooth it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. As soon as you put it together, you fix as you go. It's clay. There we go. Push it in. You want to give it a nice egg shape because it's supposed to be a dinosaur egg, right? Do you guys have any favorite dinosaur books? Let me know in the comments if you do. I think Brandon Mull's Fablehaven, doesn't that have dragons in it? I think it does. Also, let me know. Dinosaurs, dragons, or not? I'm gonna say not, but we can pretend, right? Especially the flying ones, pterodactyls and whatnot. See, and you just keep working it. You know, this one came out like this. You could still smooth this out, like if I really took the time, can make it really nice. You know, this one came out like this, both kind of egg-shaped. But I also don't want the clay to be too thin, because we want to put our gems in now. Just take it, push it in so it's indented, and then the clay will dry around it. And everyone got different gems. So if you and a sibling signed up, you can share, you can mix and match, whatever you want to do. Right, that one, and I grabbed a couple of heart ones. You guys should have a little bit of a variety in yours too. So there's that. Some cute little ones, and keep, you know, molding your clay as you go, whatever you see, whatever inconsistencies, anything you want to change, fix as you go. That's all. So I'm just going to do this side so that I don't waste stickers, because this is really your guys' supplies too, right? We all share at the library, but you can easily do both sides. Right? Use as much as you want, whatever's in your bag. Alright, again, this is like a little oddly shaped, but if you work a little bit with it, you know. This one I started with the aluminum foil long, and then folded it in half with the clay on the long part already. So, either way works. It's super cute, it's super easy, and I hope you guys have fun with it. Alright, have a great day.